last video, I have covered so many questions from your textbook on polynomials, degree, coefficients, and types of polynomials, and also zero factors of that polynomial. But in today's sessions, we also dive into deeper, a very interesting area on this algebra, that is quadratic equation. So, what is quadratic equation? So, quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square bx plus c. That means ax square plus bx plus c. So here x is a variable, highest power is 2 here. So degree is 2, and as I have already told in very first class that depending upon the power of x, the polynomials are defined as that means quadratic or cubic or linear polynomial. So it is a standard equation or standard form of equation to define a quadratic equation. So here this a, b and c, these are real values or real numbers. And most importantly, you have to remember that this particular a is not equal to 0, because if this particular value will be 0, that means the whole term will be equal to 0. That means there will be no term like x square. If there will be no term like x square, that means no questions to be an equation to be a quadratic equation. So now let us solve one questions from this particular quadratic equation, whether we have to check whether that particular equation is quadratic or not. Now let us solve this equation. Here it's given that this is from your chapter 4. Quadratic equation is your chapter 4 from NCERT textbook. Your question number 1, that check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. That means the equation is given that x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 whole into x minus 3. Then how to solve this? So now we have to bring it to ax square plus bx plus 1 is equal to 0. In that particular standard form we have to bring. So how to do this? So now this x square plus 1, a plus b whole square, that is x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to, multiplying here 2 with x minus 3, so 2x minus 6. Now let us bring all the term from right side to left side and make it equal to 0. This implies x square plus 1 plus 2x. Here if you bring this side, the minus sign, that will be, the sign will be changed, that is minus 2x and plus 6 equal to 0. You know it very well. That means whenever we take all the right hand terms to left hand, the sign will be changed. Minus sign will be plus and plus will be minus. So now you see here 2x minus 2x cancel. Now the result will be x square plus 1 plus 6, that is 7 is equal to 0. Now see, here the highest power is 2. The highest power of x is equal to 2. This satisfying the equation to be quadratic in nature. Okay. Now let us solve another question number 2. The question given x square minus 2x is equal to minus 6 plus 2x. Similarly, we have to bring this to the standard form, x square plus bx plus 1. There is no more multiplication. Only simply you have to take the right hand terms to left hand side. That means x square minus 2x plus 6. That is x square minus 2x, that means minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Now see, x square term is here. You understand? As I have already told that in squaring term is there, that means it is coming under quadratic equation. So x square is there, minus 4 is also there, plus 6 is also there. That means it is coming under a, this particular standard form, a square plus minus b x plus 6 or plus 1 is equal to 0 plus c. Suppose for example this is plus c, c is a constant. So here c is 6, b is equal to minus 4 and a is equal to 1. So this particular equation is a quadratic equation. I hope you understand this. And I am extremely sorry, instead of c I have written 1. C is a constant here and 1 is also another constant. I have considered one question, so that's why. So you have to write that a square, ax square plus bx plus c. Here a, b, c, these are the real values and x is a single variable. Okay. Now let us solve another questions from this chapter. The question is x minus 2 x plus 1 whole into is equal to x minus 1 whole into x plus 3. Now see, it's looking complex. So you have to multiply factor by each factor. That means we have to multiply x with x plus 1. Again we have to multiply minus 2 with x plus 1. Similarly in the right hand side, we also have to multiply x with x plus 3. Then minus 1 with x plus 3. Now let us solve this. So x into x plus 1, that is x square plus x. Minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x. Minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. I hope this is a very general simplification, as you have already covered it up in the previous classes or in the lower classes. So that is equal to x into x, that is x square, plus x into 3, that is 3x, minus 1 into x, that is minus x, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Now bring all the terms from right hand side to the left hand and make it to 0. That means x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. This x square becomes here minus x square minus 3x plus x plus 3 equal to 0. Now see, here x square and here minus x square, they cancel each other because sign change plus minus. Here x minus 2x. Here x, it becomes 2x and x minus x is equal to minus x and that is minus 3x. Minus 3x and minus 2 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, equal to 0. Now see, there is no x square term here. No power of x is equal to 2. So definitely this particular equation is not a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation. So it is not quadratic but a linear equation. And I hope this particular question and solution is clear to you. And next we will solve another problem, that is ID. Let us solve another questions, that is 1ID. The equation is given that x minus 3 and whole into 2x plus 1 is equal to x whole into x plus 5. Similarly, as before, we have to multiply x into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus, that is x into x plus 5. So this is 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now bring all the right hand side terms to left hand side. Now it becomes 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x. Now see here, 2x square minus x square, that is x square we are getting. Obviously it is we are having x square term. So let us check this term, that is x minus 6x minus 6x, that is minus 10x and minus 3. Now see, we are having the square term here. That means power of x is, the power of the polynomial is 2. So this particular equation is coming under a quadratic equation. Now see this question, that is from question number 3 Your question is given that the equation is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x whole into x square minus 1. Now see, q term is coming, okay. So definitely we are going to have a cubic term. So what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? You might have remembered, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? You are getting cubic term here, okay. So here a is x. So the question is x cube plus 3 into a square means x square into b means 2. That means 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 3ab square, that is 3a. A is here and b is 2, that means 4. So 12. 3ab square plus bq. B is 2 here, so bq is 2 to the power cube, that is 8. That is equal to 2x into x square, that is x cube minus 2x. Now let us bring all the right hand terms to left hand side. So this implies the equation will be x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube minus, that is plus 2x. Now let us solve this equal to 0. Now let us solve this. This is x cube, this is minus 2x cube. So minus x cube is coming, okay. So plus 6x square and another x square is there? No. Plus 6x square, 12x, 2x, that is plus 14x. Here is 8, that means plus 8 equal to 0. Now you see a big equation, but highest power of the equation is 3. So definitely this particular polynomial or equation is not coming under quadratic. Rather it is a cubic polynomial, because the power of the highest power of x is 3. So the polynomial is not quadratic. So the polynomial or p of x is not quadratic. It is cubic polynomial.